Welcome to the International LT Sleeper Truck, one of the most popular and highly rated sleeper trucks in the industry. Let's take a look at some of its key features. Its cab comes in multiple configurations, including a 56-inch low roof, a 56-inch high-rise, a 73-inch high-rise, and a 73-inch sky-rise. The steering wheel control labels are laser-etched through the thickness of the material and LED backlit for maximum durability and visibility. The LT comes with LED headlights and fog lights to deliver brighter visibility during night and poor weather conditions, and its tough polycarbonate lenses protect against breakage. Its all-new HVAC system is designed for reliability. It includes a high-performance max defrost system built to easily handle our harsh Canadian winters. This model has a front axle capacity of 14,000 pounds and a rear axle capacity of up to 46,000 pounds. This particular LT is set up with a collision mitigation system and collision warning system. This includes multi-lane auto and stat vehicle braking, stat objective alerts, side object detection, a front camera and radar, a speed-based dynamic detection range, and so much more, making the LT one of the safest vehicles for truck drivers. Our International LTs are typically built with the International A26 or Cummins X15 engine, which can produce up to 565 horsepower and with 2,500 pounds per foot of torque. This LT is built with an Eaton Endurant 12-speed fully automated manual transmission. It has aluminum clutch housing, overdrive, mechatronic shift controls, pneumatic clutch actuation, an internal lube oil pump, and hill start aid, meaning your ride isn't going to have any problem adapting and transitioning smoothly through various terrain and traffic situations. All International LTs are made with a driver-first interior, making any LT you drive as comfortable and safe for the driver as possible. Predictive cruise control is set up with this LT and is further enhanced through GPS technology, and an optional battery-powered auxiliary power unit provides 17,000 BTU per hour of heat and 6,000 BTU per hour of air conditioning for some extra no-idle comfort. The LT is set up with several outlets and USB ports for drivers to use for hot plates, charging ports, and whatever else drivers may need. 2 storage cabinets are standard on every LT, with an additional 2 more available for installation. It comes standard with 4 cup holders, and TV mounts are also available. These are just some of the key features that make an International LT sleeper truck one of the best on the market. To buy or lease a new sleeper truck at Maxim Truck and Trailer today, visit maximinc.com.